Hi, this is Angela from Ciandre. Kitchen design depends on users' living habits. Today we talk something about U-shaped kitchen. There is three parts. One part is cooking, island, dining area. For cooking area, there is three parts. One is for the glass cabinet, which is to show something very easy to take. The other side is this. It's for dry food storage, so it can take food very easily. For down cabinets, there is a routine. Here is for washing, food ready, and here for the stove. For the stove, left and right for the cooker. One side needs to have sausage, salt, basket. The other side you have drawers for plates. So when the food is ready, you need to take the food to here. So move the food to island for the food dividers. So when the food ready, we divide the food here. So we move the food to the dining area. So the routine is very convenient. Of course, Iceland, there is a social purpose. So you can see in this side, we have small, middle, big drawers. We have 4 sets. So there's enough space for storage. So if you're interested in kitchen design, please don't forget to follow me or continue to show our ideas about kitchen design. So see you next time. Thank you.